So hi guys, finally it's arrived, the package. So this is my Christmas present from my husband. Thank you, baby. So let's do unboxing for this, guys. So guess what? What is this? Let's see. Let's open.
Meanwhile,
So guys, this is my Hero 5. So we bought this one last year. So today I'm going to sell this because I want to upgrade another new one. And we're going to get that right now. So hopefully the new owner of this will be happy because I've never been hardly used this one. I think we used this one time when we went to the Gulf Shore in Alabama, where we used this under the water, and I'm happy, but I want to upgrade a bigger one that have a screen at the back, but this one didn't have screen. So hopefully the new owner of this will be take care of how I care this one. Pretty nice. I think we need to do unboxing for this. What do you think, boy?
yeah.
Yeah. So let's do unboxing for this, guys. I'm so excited. So I ordered this last where is that?
Not long ago.
Black Friday, right?
Yeah, somewhere in that area.
So here's what's inside. Ta-da! Plastic. So they have 3 boxes here. Wow. So they have a head strap, quick clip. Second, they have a rechargeable battery. And the third box, it's a shorty. It's a mini extension tripod. And the last one is the 32 GB SD card, micro SD card. So this is all together, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Well, here's the very important. There you go. Finally, I got my Hero
8.
GoPro Hero 8. So let's open this, guys, and let's see. Oh my god, so cute. Look at how cute, baby. Look at that. Wow, this is a 12 MP with 4K 60 and a 33 feet and 1080p live streaming.
Yeah. But it has that hyper motion, I guess, 2.0.
Yep, so this is the latest unit of the GoPro, guys. So this is the Hero 8 Black. So before I got a Hero 5 season. So I sell that one a few
Months
ago, right? Yeah.
Maybe.
But I really wanted to buy a Hero 7, but when I read the GoPro website that they are releasing a new one, so I just waited for a couple of months, and then here I go. I got it. So happy. So let's open this, guys.
Don't search for it. It's right here.
Connect.
Yep.
There you go. We found your GoPro. So see, put AUBRY. There you go, guys. Hero block is ready. So it's connected now here on my phone. So let's go. So I agree. And there you go, guys. So this is the
Oh,
website.
no SD card.
Yeah, no SD card. I got a SD card. So allow. There you go. Hey guys, this is what's inside the box. So they have a GoPro sticker, and if you have any questions you can go to their website, and this is the instructions also. And they have a GoPro Plus unlimited cloud storage for GoPro footage. This is the first box that we open. So this is a mini extension full tripod. So this is very nice, guys. So if you do vlogging, so you have a very cute so cute tripod. Oh, there you go. That's it. Ah, so cute. So next is of course the extra battery. So we need to open this. And this one is a head strap quick clip. So this is very helpful when you want to go adventure, you go bike, put in the head. Wow. So this is what they look like, guys. I don't need to open it. And we have some extra for this. That's it. And SD card, 32 GB. So this is all comes in the bundle. So I'm so happy. So nice. I like this one. Because you know the accessory for GoPro is expensive. If you buy this one
Yeah.
individual, very, very expensive. So this one is so nice. Look at that. So you can put this one and then you can make a video vlogging it. So this is the price here in Best Buy, guys. It's $40 for the shorty mini extension tripod. And this is one also, the included one, the head strap with quick clip. So it's worth $24 and $19 for the rechargeable battery. So that's a pretty good deal, guys, right? Because plus 19 plus 24 and plus 39 and GoPro.